This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OG, Jay. You know who you are. Well, I'm getting ready to do a job tomorrow morning, and I was loading up my table saw, and I noticed the saw blade, well, it's seen better days, so I'm going to change it. And I thought this is a good opportunity to show you how to change the saw blade, just in case you threw away the directions. So here we go, out to the shed. We are back in the shop, and there's my beautiful DeWalt job site table saw. And today I'm going to show you how to change the blade, just in case you threw away the directions, which is what a lot of old guys do. First thing you want to do, unlock that, take the plate off. Now you want to raise the blade all the way. So let's raise it up instead of dropping it down like I just did. Now if you haven't done so yet, make sure that the power is not only off, that it's unplugged. I even wrapped the cord under here, so there's no way that this thing can turn on. No way. So now we're going to come over here, and on this particular model, your wrenches and everything are stored right under the saw, like that. Beautiful. All right, we can see right down inside there. There's the nut. That's where we want to get to, and on the other side is where the arbor is, the part where we want to put this wrench on the arbor. And then you just lay the wrench flat down like that once it's on there. And then with the closed end, the boxed end, put that on the nut. And go forward. Then you can just take the nut off, but with your hand. But doing this one-handed is not recommended, but I'm holding a camera. So I don't have a lot of options here. If I drop this, well, I gotta shake the saw up and down. All right, and down in here, you see this little guide right there? That's why we have to lift the blade all the way up, so it'll clear that. And that's it. To put the blade back on, just do everything I just did in reverse. Done. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Oh, son of a...